Watch this, guys. First time ever. Check this out. You have the first ever fully hybrid Ferrari. Look at this. So you can charge here, right there, and you put the petrol in this side, right here. This is the fastest, most powerful Ferrari ever made. Let me show you more. Come on in. Brand new, brand spanking new. Now look at this. This is super cool. You swipe to start. And again. Now watch this. Right here. Never before seen on a Ferrari. E-drive mode. You can drive up to 25 kilometers in complete silence in a Ferrari for the very first time. Now this is the key. This is super cool. Love this key. It slots in right here. Got a nice little slot for your key. Beautiful. Here is an ode to old supercars with the gear.
Please, can you better explain your request?
Sorry, I'm just trying to explain the car. Maybe you can do a better job. This right here is the old gated gear shifter, right? But now what they've done is they've made it digital, which is super cool. This round the back is epic. I don't know if you saw this right here. Look, it's got a floating Ferrari emblem on the back with the head kind of rearing out above the back of the car, which is so cool. You've got this beautiful carbon fiber rear diffuser here. Does this even look like a Ferrari, you guys? It looks so different. You'll notice these taillights as well, they're no longer round. Huge design change. This is the SF90 Stradale. It's faster and it's got more horsepower than the LaFerrari, but it costs 3 times less. Why? Because it's not limited. The LaFerrari is limited to 499. You no longer have the L-shaped lights of a Ferrari. You now have these C-shapes on the front. So there are a lot of design changes on this car. Should we take it for a drive? It's got 3 electric motors, 2 in the front, 1 here behind me, and it's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8. Definitely sounds like a Ferrari. It's 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. It is insanely fast, you guys. And I'm so excited that it's a hybrid.